Hi, my name is Camille Whisby, and today I'm going to be presenting my project. So, the topic that I chose for my project is dark matter. So, starting out, let's answer what is dark matter? So, dark matter makes up around 27% of the universe, and it is a type of invisible matter that we cannot see. So, we don't have direct evidence that it exists, it's more hypotheses and theories, but there are, as we're going to see, some things that could lead to the lead to proof of the existence of dark matter. So according to earthsky.org, dark matter is not the same as dark energy. They're commonly mistaken for each other, but they're not the same. Dark energy actually makes up around 68% of the universe. So, how is dark matter detected since it's not something that we can physically see? One way is by observing the way light bends when going through an optical lens. So, similar to the way light bends through optical lenses, light going through a gravitational lens bends also. And scientists use that bending and the amount of the bending as an example to help themselves understand dark matter. And gravitational lensing, according to HubbleSite.org, um, gravitational lens can occur when a huge amount of matter, like a cluster of galaxies, creates a gravitational field that distorts and magnifies the light from distant galaxies that are behind it, but in the same line of light. So, this essentially creates a magnifying glass for scientists to observe these galaxies in greater detail. And the simplest type of gravitational lensing occurs when there is a single concentration of matter at the center, such as the dense core of a galaxy. And on the right is an example of what gravitational lensing looks like. So, what's another way that dark matter is detected? According to NASA, another way that dark matter is detected is by using the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. And with this telescope, scientists look at gamma rays. So, gamma rays are theorized to be created when two dark matter particles crash into each other. And this telescope could theoretically detect these collisions. So, if they see this, if these telescopes pick up on gamma rays, it's thought that since it's thought that dark matter is made from that gamma rays are made by two dark matter particles crashing into each other, then if there are gamma rays, this could lead to the existence of dark matter. And what is in dark matter exactly? It's not known what dark matter is exactly and what it's made out of, but it is known that something holds together galaxies. And this something is theorized to be dark matter. It is thought that dark matter binds to other types of matter and does so through gravity. And there are many theories for what dark matter is exactly. One of them that is the most popular that I found was something called weakly interacting massive particles, and shortened is WIMPs. And WIMPs are heavy subatomic particles. They are electromagnetically neutral and are hypothesized to make up most dark matter. And according to Britannica, these particles are thought to be heavy and slow moving. And it's thought to be this way because if the dark matter particles were light and fast moving, they would not have clumped together into density fluctuations from which, galaxies form. So, how do we know that dark matter exists? Scientists study dark matter by looking at the effects that it has on visible objects. Largely, this is the way that they test the existence of it. So, some examples of detection are when a Hubble Space Telescope showed a galaxy's light being bent by another galaxy. According to NASA, based on the way the light bent, scientists estimated the mass of the foreground cluster to be 250 times greater than the visible matter in the cluster. So scientists think that the accounted mass consisted of dark matter, and that the unaccounted mass consisted of dark matter. And the direct detection of dark matter particles using innovative new detectors is another way that dark matter is being detected. Another way is the detection of X-rays or gamma rays, as I talked about before with the telescope, from the decay or annihilation of dark matter particles. Finally, another way of detecting dark matter is um, the detection of dark matter particles created by colliding beams of higher energy protons. And these are my sources, and that is all. Thank you so much.